Second choice, chip of stuff. Gates open, they're up and racing. Be nice, barefoot Contessa, lucky touch. Moving up in between runners and by the rail is Benissimo. Then followed by Leon Face, chip up stop kay Maki and September Morning as they head towards the last 900. Now we have Benissimo in command by 3/4 of a length lead over Lucky Touch. Be Nice is running by the rail third, running alongside Barefoot Contessa, then followed by Chip, up stop Leon Face, then comes entry number 3 kay Maki, and September Morning still running in behind them. Rounding at the last 450, Benissimo still leading the field, about to throw the challenge on the outside. Lucky Touch, Barefoot Contessa joining in, and by the rail is Be Nice. And down the stretch they come. Be Nice takes the lead by the rail, running on the outside. Benissimo, Barefoot Contessa, Lucky Touch with 100 to go. Be Nice this time by about 2 lengths, followed by Benissimo, chip, up, stop, and finally Be Nice, chip, up, stop, Benissimo close between kay Maki and Barefoot Contessa.